You tired of risking your life on a ladder and hanging Christmas lights every year? Today, we're gonna be testing out 3 of the top contenders in permanent outdoor lighting: the Eufy E22 Triple LED with AI Creativity, the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro, and the Lumary Eaves Lights Max. Now, which one of these offers the best features, brightest LEDs, and ultimate customization for your home? Well, stick around because we're diving deep to find out which lights truly outshine the rest. Now, I'm super excited to dive into this comparison, but let's get to the unboxing. Now, I'm gonna keep this as unbiased as possible. I look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll be sure to place a link to all the products in the description of the video.
Lumary donated lights, thus making the video sponsored.
But for those of you who are not familiar with these style lights, they're meant to be permanently installed on the house. Now, to be clear, they're not just for Christmas. Each kit comes with light strips, power adapter, the control unit, installation materials like screws, anchors, etc., installation instructions, and some extension cables to jump to separate areas of the house. But for the most part, they're fairly easy to install. So I installed all 3 of these products on the exact same house so we can give you the best comparison possible. And I installed each one of these products about 2.5 to 3 inches off of the underside of the soffits. Let's start the comparison talking about the installation. All 3 of these products are installed on a permanent basis using double-sided sticky tape, reinforced with a screw and or a bracket. The systems that we're comparing have this dome-style looking puck with LEDs inside of them. They're spread apart about every 16 to 20 inches on average, and they illuminate against the house, providing a very unique look. Installation is actually fairly simple, as I told you before. You remove the adhesive and you put them up against the house after cleaning the soffit. One thing that sets the Lumary hardware apart are these detachable bases. So if you have any issues with one of the lines or dome LEDs, the detachable base makes it possible to replace the line without needing to remove the 3M tape and redoing the entire installation process. One thing that sets the Govee Pro apart is the ability to cut the line wherever you want, to either terminate the line or to extend the line for a more seamless look. Now, both the Eufy and the Lumary have extension cables that are included to jump from one area of your house to the other. So for example, if you're running a line from your upper eaves to your lower eaves, you can do that with the extension cord. Now, as far as how spread apart the LEDs are, the Eufy and the Govee are both spread just under 20 inches one from another, and the Lumary is spread at about 16.5 inches apart. So the Lumary has more lights per 50 linear feet than the others, 36 versus about 30 lights per 50 linear feet. While we're finishing up installing all 3 of these products, let's go over some of the key differences between each product. So the Lumary starts at $299 for 53 linear feet, $449 for 105 linear feet, and $649 for 158 linear feet. Now, when it comes to lighting technology, all 3 of these products are similar, but they're also different. The Lumary light technology is RGBA ICW, which is a 5-in-1 LED. These lights employ independent control chips to individually regulate the color and brightness of each lamp bead, which allows each lamp bead to emit different colors simultaneously, enabling multiple colors to be displayed on a single lamp at once. So the color brightness ranges from 2200 to 6500 Kelvin, offering over 16 million color variations, which is controllable through their applications. So a few other fun features are their music sync, and it also supports voice control through Alexa, Siri, and Google. It comes complete with app control that allows for setting on and off timers, and it also comes complete with a manual remote control.
The Lumary includes a total of 49 pre-programmed scenes and supports up to 20 DIY scenes.
Average lifespan of the product is marketed at 25,000 hours. Let's jump on over to the Eufy E22. Starting at $199 for 50 linear feet, and for 100 linear feet, we're at $299. Now, each dome light on the Eufy E22 has a tri-LED with RGB plus warm white plus cool white. What that means is it has dedicated red, green, and blue, and warm and cool white LEDs. The brightness temperatures range from 1500 to 9000 Kelvin, making the Eufy the brightest marketed light out of the 3. Now, as far as their application goes, the Eufy has 80 preset programs and includes what they call Wonder AI light themes, which combines AI to help create new designs, and it also includes WonderLink with Eufy cameras, which has the capability of turning the lights on when motion is detected. The average lifespan of this product is marketed at 55,000 hours. Next on our list is the Govee Lights Pro. They come in at $399 per 100 linear feet, $549 for 150 linear feet, $699 for their 200 linear foot packs. Now each dome light has 7 LEDs using RGB WWIC technology, which means it has dedicated RGB plus warm white and cool white colors. They can be turned on and off independently, ensuring vibrancy. Now as far as the Govee brightness range goes, estimated between about 2700 and 6500 Kelvin, very similar to the Lumary, and average lifespan of the product is listed at 50,000 hours. The Govee app has 75 different preset programs, and just like the others, it's capable to program custom lighting sequences. The dishes are done, man. Well, we're done, we did it.
Yeah.
Kind of shocked to say that we did all 3 strands in about 2 hours. Now keep in mind, if you're gonna be installing these individually, they take about 2 hours each, primarily because you have to clean it all off. The lights are all installed, the controller's installed. Now I've got the app all downloaded and ready, and it's literally just this easy. A flick of the power button, super responsive, it comes on. This is hard to beat. Now we're gonna get into these apps right now. I'm playing with the Lumary app, and you can see it's extremely responsive. Every single time I touch the button, we go from the Iceland blue to the willows, to the Glacier Express, to the Sea of the Clouds. We got fireworks at the sea. It is very responsive. Let's start by logging right into the Lumary, and you can see right on the home page, I've got different devices, but you can actually turn the device on and off directly from the home page. But let's jump into this right now. Watch how responsive this is when I hit the play button. It just goes, and it goes right into the last tab that you left off on. It comes in right of 4 different modes right at the top that you can choose from. So if we go to the mood tab, you'll notice that it just kind of changes some of the transitions and everything. Now there's a couple of things I want you to pay attention to on all these apps. You can control the brightness setting and the type of white that you are going to get. So if you want a white that is more yellow, you can choose that. You want a white that is more bright white, you can go right to the middle and look at how crispy that is. Now you can also change the settings of how bright it actually is that's coming off of the walls. Now if you notice, we have this little cupping design that is occurring off of the house. That is a little bit by design. What I try to explain to people is it's just a different style of lighting. So if you're into this, this is your style. Now at the very end of the video, I'm going to show you my $6,000 Jellyfish lighting system, and so you guys can make the decision on if you feel like these products are just as good as that one. Once we go over to the artistic tab, we can kind of jump through these at will. Spring fishing, we've got neon world, but these colors are so vibrant. I've been very, very pleased to see this. Let's talk about Halloween, right? Because we're already here. We'll jump down to Halloween here. You get some nice, fun options here. Thanksgiving Day. I'll go over to the life tab. We go over to the gaming tab. I know some of you guys are more sensitive to light than others. Myself, I just like to crank it. That's where I'm at. One of the coolest settings for me really has been some of these chase features and some of the different DIY settings that you can go through. So I just made this in like 2 seconds. We'll hit the test button. Just a little bump feature. You just click on the plus. If we want to go counterclockwise, we can. If we don't want that rainbow effect, we can go to a stacking, and let's start with that color. Go to here, go to here. We'll do a little bit of this. We'll paint some happy trees here. Love happy trees. It's just this easy, guys. Next up on our list is the Eufy lighting. On this tab, which is our ambient tab, we've got New Year's Day, and you'll notice that cupping is just ever so slightly different than the Lumary. I'm finding that the brightness in person, it could just be with the different lights that we're actually choosing. It just has a different feel to it. It's a little bit more earthy than the other one. I felt like the colors on the Lumary were just slightly more vibrant. Halloween is coming up. Again, these lights are just so awesome. Let's go over to the seasons tab, spring. One thing I'm noticing about this is there's a lot more tabs on this application than anything. Let's go over to the personalization tab, shall we? just like the other one, you can really get in here and just kind of do things that you want to do. If we want to have a static purple, we could do static purple. If we want to clear that and do one green here and one purple here and one orange here, you can really get into this and do whatever you want. And I find that my kids just absolutely love customizing these colors. Next up is our Govee Lights Pro. And let's just spend some time going through this. This is our Christmas tree. We've got sled. Let's go through some of these Halloween settings, so the spookiness. We'll go through Valentine's Day, check out the fireworks. One thing that I really like about all of these apps is the creativity that they have creating these different lights. So if you're not a creative person when it comes to trying to figure out some sort of a setting that you want, you don't need to stress about that whatsoever. But there is just so much to like in all these applications. This is fantastic. Right now what I want to do is a brightness test between the three. This should give you a better idea of what you're going to be purchasing in the future. Let's go ahead and revisit the temperature settings of these lights. Now I made it very clear, I like them on the brightest setting, but a lot of you guys like that classical look, a little bit warmer or having a yellower or browner tinge to it. So let's look at each of these. Now, one thing I'm learning about all these products is it really just comes down to personal preference. How do you like the color profile? How do you like the colors bouncing off of the actual house? Which one do you feel like gives you the most range for you personally? And also which application that you want. Now we're gonna check out which ones have the better scenes for holidays. The light that we're on is called Christmas, and this is our Govee Lights Pro. So we'll head over to Christmas tree, go over to Christmas gift. Now we'll go to sled. And I really like, going back to Christmas gift, I really like the vibrant lights. That's just me though. Head over to Halloween. It's a nice little transition on Halloween. We'll go over to Easter, hit birthday, winter wonderland. My personal favorite, the ginger leprechaun. So now let's turn this off real quick and we will bounce over to Eufy. Let's turn the Eufy on. These seasons, holiday, New Year's, Valentine's, President's Day. That Eufy white. I really like the white on the Eufy. Go to Easter, April Fools, St. Patrick's, Mother's Day, Father's Day. Let's go to Halloween too. Eufy Halloween, man, it's got some action to it. Thanksgiving, Christmas. And again, just a friendly reminder for you guys at home, this is the 50-foot strand of Eufy. You can get these in 100 and you can really double up on any of these products. And let's now turn the Eufy off and we will go over to the Lumary. So we got Christmas, I like this program. Valentine's Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Forest, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and we got football day, best season of all. Oh yeah. Now as far as my $6,000 Jellyfish light goes, here they are. The biggest difference that you're gonna notice is the actual brightness. The Jellyfish lights are a lot brighter, which brings up a nice touchy subject here. Not only do they have more power going through them, they're also spaced 12 inches apart. One thing that I noticed between the Lumary, the Eufy, and the Govee is the Lumary has a slight advantage when it comes to the amount amount of light that it's casting. And that's because the spacing of the lights are closer together. So you get more lights per 50 feet, as I said before, and it turns out it does make a difference. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you that might shock you is I feel like the actual application between Lumary, Govee, and Eufy are actually ahead of the Jellyfish. Every single one of these has share content features, which is awesome. For those of you guys who aren't creative, you can go into the share content tab where people have uploaded their programs that they've custom designed that are awesome. I also feel like when it comes to the speed of the application, when you're pushing the buttons, there's a slight lag when it comes to using the Jellyfish app as well. But when it comes to actual color radiance and vibrance, yeah, no questions asked. You spend 10 times the amount of money, you're getting more vibrant lights. You also notice the style of these lights are different. There's no cupping, but again, it just depends on what you're looking for. The Jellyfish lighting is going to have slightly more independence than the Eufy, the Govee, and the Lumary, but again, it's a huge cost difference. Well, this concludes my comparison of all three products, and I'll be sure to post links to all three of them in the description of the video, but I'd really love to hear which one that you would choose and why in the comments below. Until next time, guys, the best in Longitude, we're slaying outdoor lighting.